In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include color in Airtable records. If you want to make your Airtable projects easier to scan and organize, adding color is a simple but very effective way to do it. Color can help you quickly identify categories, statuses, priorities, or any other type of record at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to apply color to your records inside Airtable. To get started, go to your projects in Airtable. Open the base and table where you want to update your records. Make sure you're in the correct view so you can see the records you want to work with. This is the starting point for setting up color, and it helps to have your project records visible before making any changes. Once you're in your projects, click on Color. This option lets you control how color is displayed across the records in your current Airtable view. If you don't usually use view settings, this is a useful area to become familiar with because it can help make your tables much more visual and easier to manage. After that, click on Select Field. This tells Airtable which field should be used to determine the color of each record. For example, you might choose a field related to status, type, stage, or any other label that makes sense for your workflow. The idea is that Airtable will use the values in that field to assign colors visually across the table. Next, choose from there and click the downward arrow to select color. Once you've picked the field, Airtable will show the available options connected to that field. Use the drop-down arrow to assign or adjust the color for each option. This is where you can customize the appearance so that each value stands out clearly. Try to choose colors that are easy to distinguish from one another, especially if you'll be using this view often. As you make your selections, your records will begin to reflect those colors in the view. This can make a big difference when you're reviewing projects quickly or collaborating with others who need to understand the table at a glance. And that's it. By going to your projects, opening the color settings, selecting a field, and then choosing colors from the dropdown, you can make your Airtable records more organized and much easier to read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.